Hi, this is Donna Pangle from Carte's Cupcakes, making today's cakes the best that they can be. Hi, my name is Donna Pangle. I am with Carte's Cupcakes, making today's cakes the best that they can be. I want to share with you what we did in this focus. I built a business based on a focus on birthday parties and other general market ideas of which cupcakes could be used. In the upper section here, I made 8 different cells of my cupcakes. And then on the bottom portion, I have what is my total expenditures that I caused. My total revenue, my income was $96, less my expenses of $35.17, minus my capital venture of $20 gave me a gross profit of $40.83. For this venture, I did my advertising on Facebook and used other social media contacts. I sold to the people I work with, my neighborhood, different friends and relatives on Facebook, and people in my ward. I had some good ideas and some bad ideas. My deliveries were on time every time. No returns or no complaints whatsoever with the cupcakes, which was really good. A bad issue that I had was freezing some of the cupcakes. I had several that became very hard on the bottoms and did not work out well when I needed them the next weekend. And I had one full box of dropped cupcakes that when I did, they turned upside down and on their faces. Thank you very much from Donna's Carte's Cupcakes. We hope you enjoyed watching.